Hello guys, I just got new camera for better photos and videos. This is Canon M50, new camera from Canon with new processor, amazing photos and videos, including 4K videos. So let's see what's inside the packaging. So you see Canon EOS M50. I think it's called KISS in United States. It's interesting that the camera is really made in Japan, as you can see here. Made in Japan, and lens are made in Taiwan. So let's open the case. And what we see here. This is Canon Collective. Check out the list of events in your area at canon.com/EU collective, and this is the link for the application on the mobile phones that can easily connect with Canon M50 using Wi-Fi. A warranty, short instructions. Instructions are really very hard to use. The pictures are really small, as you can see. So minus to Canon user manual. So what's here? Oh, nicely packaged. So we have a strap, nice strap from Canon. Then we have a charging cable. Then we have a battery. And we have lenses, nicely packaged. Let's see how nicely packaged lenses are. This is EF M15 to 45 millimeters STM lenses. You can see here. So okay, we have the charger too. Charger. For one battery only. And let's see the camera itself. It's nicely packaged. Nothing more in the package, so let's put it here. And let's see the camera itself. A lot of packaging material, lots of plastic, and here it is. A really nice looking camera. This material is very nice. It has nice LCD. It looks so premium. It is SLR quality. Actually, it's mirrorless camera, but it's one of the best mirrorless cameras out there. It has not slippery material here, so it's really easy to hold it. I'm really glad it's made in Japan. Nowadays it's very hard to find something that actually is not made in China. I do not have anything against China, but it looks nice when you see the other country nowadays. It has really impressive build quality, as you can see. Yes, it has here hidden so it looks very nice. So let's put the batteries on. Actually, the battery. I do not have yet the USB, not the USB, but the SD card, so no card in camera. But I don't know if you can see, sorry, I have to put the lenses too. Very easy. And easy to actually put. You see, following this and that dot and nicely click. So this is full package camera with EF M15 to 45 millimeters STM lens. It has 143 focal points, so actually the autofocus is the okay, so we have to push here, and from now you can see the photo. It's really impressive. And yeah, it has the new eye detection, autofocus analysis, the image, and automatically determines where to focus based on your subject's eyes, helping to ensure a treasured headshot or once-in-a-lifetime moment with your best friend is captured in sharp detail. And so let's see pictures and sample videos recorded on Canon M50. Camera Canon M50 has 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor capable of capturing high-resolution image and video files, whether making poster-sized prints, zooming in on a particular detail, or making beautiful 4K videos. The EOS M50 sensor is up to the task. An ISO range of 100 to 25,600, expandable to 51,200, means image can be captured with low noise and high detail, even in low light situations. This is 4K on Canon M50 camera, so you can see it's really a pleasant video, pleasant colors, but it's not stable enough. Actually not stable at all. So when you stay or move slowly, you can get a way better picture, but still not enough stable. This is full HD on Canon M50. I'm holding it in my hand and I feel it's pretty stable video. Of course I am not walking. This is 4K from Canon M50. You can see I am standing on the same spot, and you can see how cropped is image. So it's clear that Canon M50 is actually suitable for full HD, although it's capable for recording 4K movies. I would not recommend it, and I think that is the main drawback of this camera. I found the photos very beautiful in auto mode, so yes, I can suggest this camera. So optical zoom on Canon M50 actually moves my camera as it is very light. I'm trying to zoom in this boat, and you can see how my picture actually is not stable enough when I am zooming in. Thank you for watching. Keep track for more videos soon. Please subscribe.